Before you land a big project or make a major sale, your client is probably going to ask for a price quote. In QuickBooks Online, this is called an estimate. The best part about using QuickBooks for this is that an estimate doesn't affect your accounting numbers at all until the client actually agrees to it. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a professional estimate and how to easily turn it into an invoice once you win the job. Let's get started. Head up to the top left corner of your dashboard and click that plus Create button. Look under the Customers column and select Estimate. This screen looks almost exactly like an invoice, but remember, it's just a proposal. Start by selecting your customer from the drop-down. Then, double-check your dates. One very important feature here is the expiration date. It is always a good business practice to put an expiration date on your quotes so you aren't locked into that same pricing months down the road. Next, scroll down to your item table. Just like an invoice, click the drop-down to add the products or services you are pitching to the client. You can adjust the quantities, and QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total estimated cost, including any taxes if they apply. Once your proposal looks solid, head down to the bottom right and click Review and Send. And then you can just click Send Estimate in the bottom right corner. Your client will get a professional PDF of the quote emailed right to them, and they can even review it and accept it digitally. Now here is the real magic trick. Let's say the client calls you the next day and says, "Let's do it." You don't have to type all that information out again. Just click plus Create, open a blank invoice, and select that same customer. QuickBooks will automatically slide out a panel on the right side showing the accepted estimate. Just click Add, and it instantly turns your quote into a live invoice, ready to be billed. It saves so much time. If this walkthrough helped you out today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Also, if you want to support my work and get access to some exclusive perks, consider joining our channel membership by hitting the Join button down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.